Best POPOV leather products with reviews and details. The traditional wallet, English tan. Character, history, respect. These are the terms that come to mind when you see the grain patterns in your leather. Our English tan leather is perfect for showcasing those unique patterns, giving your traditional 6-card leather wallet a naturally rugged appearance. Made from USA Horween Derby full grain leather, burnished and polished edges, hand-sewn with tiger thread, 6-card pockets large enough to accommodate 2 or more cards per slot, 1 billfold with room for US, UK or Canadian sized currency dimensions, closed, 11 cm by 8.5 cm by 1.3 cm. Apple Watch Strap Driftwood. If you're looking to stand out as a man of style and supreme taste, our driftwood leather is the perfect choice. A brown that's classic enough to pair with any outfit and unique enough to portray your personal taste, our driftwood strap is sure to make your Apple Watch stand out. Made from USA Horween Chromexcel full grain leather, hand-sewn with tiger thread, straps are compatible with the Apple Watch Series 1, 2, 3 and 4 connectors are available in black or stainless steel finish. Straps are a standard sizing 120 mm, 75 mm strap lengths, 8 holes spaced 0.5 cm apart. Buckle is stainless steel with matte finish. We do not carry black buckles. Apple Watch pictured not included. The traditional wallet, black. Power, class, sophistication. Solid black leather brings you all that and more. For a 6-card wallet that's every bit as professional as its owner, our black leather offering is where it's at. Made from USA Horween Chromexcel full grain leather, burnished and polished edges, hand-sewn with tiger thread, 6-card pockets large enough to accommodate 2 or more cards per slot, 1 billfold with room for US, UK or Canadian sized currency dimensions, closed, 11 cm by 8.5 cm by 1.3 cm. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, do not forget to share and subscribe with your friends.